So today we are going to see about the one-way slab and two-way slab. What is the difference between these two? So what is one-way slab? One-way slab, we can see the length in the longer span and the W width in the shorter span. So L by W, longer span by shorter span, should be greater than or equal to 2. We call it as one-way slab. In case of two-way slab, length and width as usual, L by W ratio is less than 2. We call it as two-way slab. For example, if we take 2 meters by 6 meters by 2 meters slab, so it is 6 meters in longer and 2 meters in shorter. 6 by 2 will give you 3, which is greater than 2. Then we call it as one-way slab. For example, for two-way slab, 3 meters by 2 meters, longer span 3 meters and shorter span 2 meters, 3 by 2 will give you 1.5, which is less than 2, hence it is two-way slab. Bending moment. So you can see in one-way slab, it bends only in one direction. You can see in the shorter span direction. But in two-way slab, it bends in both the directions. The bending moment is like this. Deflected shape. In one-way slab, the deflection will be just like a cylindrical shape, and in two-way slab, it is just like a dish or saucer shape. Support. In one-way slab, it is totally supported by beams on two opposite sides, and in two-way slab, it is supported by 4 beams in all the 4 sides. Next examples. In one chaja and portico and this kind of things can be say for one-way slab and two-way slab. Load carrying direction. Loads are carried along one direction. The loads are carried along both the directions in case of two-way slab. Reinforcement. Main reinforcement will be provided in the shorter span direction, which is cranked, and on the opposite direction it is a distribution rod. In case of two-way slab, both the ends are deflected, so main steel or cranked bars will be provided in both the directions. Slab thickness. Thickness of slab of one-way slab is less steel, depth of slab increases, and slab thickness is more. In case of two-way slab, it is more steel, the depth of slab decreases, and the slab thickness is less. Uses. One-way slab is economical up to a span of 3.6 meters, and in case of two-way slab, it is economical for panel sizes up to 6 by 6 meters. So it is economy, buildability, loading conditions, length of span. It is based on all things. Thank you.